Hello everyone, today I'm going to be changing out my mini bike tire. This is not a tutorial. This is my new mini bike tire. It's a SunF 19 by 8 by, hold on. This is a 19 by 7 by 8 SunF tire. But anyway, this is a SunF 19 by 7 by 8 tire. I believe it's the Power V or the Power 2 or something like that. But here's the tread. This is what it looks like, if you didn't know that. Anyway, let's jack up my mini bike. This is going to be a pain in the butt to jack up. I mean, technically it's off the ground, but it's not the way I want it to be off the ground. Actually, I could probably get some jack stands. Thankfully, this frame has this cool feature, or has this cool little thing, which I can prop it up on the jack stand like that. Yep, a 14. It's a little loose, actually. It's a little strange. Try a 13, maybe I'm wrong. No, I'm not wrong. Now if I take this out. Now I need a 10. I don't want to take the chain off, so I'm going to try to avoid taking the chain off here, if I can. Or taking the master link off the chain. Yes, I can. Okay, I'm good there. This tire has a hole in it. I tried patching it, but it still leaks, unfortunately. I have to take these off. I think that's all of them. Out, sprockets out. Now we just got the brake caliper. That's tightening, I want to loosen. Oh, jeez. This is getting hard because this one's starting to strip, I think. Come on. I don't want this to become a difficult ordeal. Maybe I have an impact screwdriver. Yes, it came out. I'm so relieved. Look at this. Look at that, it's like almost stripped out completely. Somehow my impact screwdriver got it out, thankfully. Okay, the brake disc is out. Now I just need to let all the air out, or the rest of the air out. There's air left in here, okay. Okay, I think I let all the air out now. See where I tried to plug it right there? That didn't work out too well. Now see if I can take this tire off by stepping on it or something. Or just unseat the bead. This is not gonna be easy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run over this tire with my car and see if this unseats it. Hopefully it does. Hopefully I don't break anything. Let's see if this works. Wow, that didn't even break it. Let me try it again. They didn't do shit. How did it not do anything? If I do it like this. If I do it like that. Let's see if that works. Yes! Broke the bead. Now I'm gonna do it to the other side now. Go. I broke the bead. I don't think I bent anything, I hope. I chipped my rim for sure. But I don't think I bent anything, thankfully. So I'm gonna take this back in the garage. Okay, now what I gotta do is I gotta take it off the rim. Now I heard if you use vice grip to hold the tire while you're doing all this stuff, so it doesn't go back in or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. I might not even need these. This tire seems to be easy enough actually. It's coming off very easily actually. Surprising. Okay, that side's off. That was easy enough actually. Actually, I might just be able to come off. Slide it right off like this. I forgot to put my soapy water on there, and it was still this easy. I might still need some screwdriver. Okay, that came off. Alright, we're good there. Got the rim off, or the tire off the rim. And I definitely damaged paint on it, but I don't really care about the paint. Now the hard part is going to be getting the tire on it. Make sure this is directional. Can't tell if this is directional or not. I'm going to say it's not, so I'm going to put it like this. It's going to be a lot more difficult. This ply rating is a lot higher. There we go. Finally. I did in the first one at least. Now the second one.
A few moments later.
Guys, I did it. On there. I don't know how long that took me. It took me a while. The tire's on the rim, and now I have to wait for an air compressor. Okay, so I forgot there's a tire inflator, like an air compressor at these free places. So I'm gonna try to seat the bead with these tire inflators. Come on, tire. Oh, shut up, car. Alright guys, so I got the bead seated onto the rim. I overinflated it a lot, so I gotta release some of this air. I went to an free air place, and I used a ratchet strap and I wrapped it around the whole tire and I tightened it really tight. And then I rapidly filled it with air with the flat tire option, and it just, after a little bit of trying, it did pop into place. Unfortunately, I did not record that, which I'm sorry about, but I did get it seated, which is a good thing. But I bought an air compressor for 50 bucks with a coupon at Harbor Freight. So, I mean, got myself an air compressor, I guess. I'm going to deflate some of this, and I'm going to wait. I have tools coming for this air compressor, so I'm going to let some air out of this because I overinflated it by a lot. Wow, there's a lot of air in here. Alright, once I get my tool, I'll check the pressure of this, which I think this is actually good. This actually might be a little bit underinflated now. Once I do get my tool to my air compressor, I'm going to also check for leaks. The only bad thing is I accidentally left my bottle of soapy water out here, and now it's frozen solid. Okay, so guys, I got my stuff. I got my air compressor tools. I'm going to open it with a screwdriver, of course, because why not? Okay, so first I got some Teflon tape, and I got air hoses and stuff like that to blow it. Okay, so I got all these connectors and everything. It should be the right hose, hopefully. Here is the hose. Hopefully this works. There's that, and here's my pistol tire inflator with 100 PSI tire inflator thing. Here it is. Now I'm gonna gotta see if my hose actually works with it. Hopefully it does, but you know, you never know. Hey, comment below if I'm doing this wrong, but I think that's right there. Alright, next, I got that quick connect. See if this actually fits on the air compressor. Okay, it seems like it fits. Teflon tape is so hard to manage, I swear. Okay, I think that's it. I hope. I got that threaded in. I got this threaded in. I got the one on the pistol gun threaded in. I got the one on this threaded in. Whatever this is, I don't know what it's called. Let's try this now. Oh, wrong one. Okay, that's there. I'm gonna try this now. This little thingy. It didn't work. There it goes. Okay, now I'm gonna install one of these things. The blowers. Or this one. Now I think I'm gonna inflate it to 50 PSI probably. Then plug this thing in and turn it on. It's at 110 now. There's a little tiny leak, but that shouldn't work. That shouldn't matter. I'm gonna try 80 PSI now. Wow. Wow, this is really powerful. Wow, shaking the phone. I'm gonna get my tire inflator, which I think I messed up. Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. Hold on. Okay, that scared me. There we go, okay. Now I'm gonna try inflating this tire now. Okay, that's a little bit too hard though. I think I'm supposed to inflate it to 10 psi. I think that's 20. What the? I don't know if this thing is accurate. That should be good, realistically. Alright. Now that's done. Okay guys, so it's been a while, but today I'm gonna be checking for leaks on this tire. I got a bottle of soapy water. Okay, so now I'm gonna hook this up to the tire, inflate it. That should be good right there. Now I'm gonna get my soapy water and I'm gonna spray it outside. I don't see any leaks there. Any leaks in here? Okay, I think that's good. No leaks. If it starts deflating, oh no, there's actually a leak. It's just really, really small. It's been a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the stuff back on like that. Now I gotta grab the bolts for it. And that's, I don't know why they have both, but oh well. I'm gonna put a jab of Loctite on them. That should be good right there. I think there's dirt and threads. Okay, that's done. Now I just gotta put the rotor on. Where's the other one at?
3 weeks later.
Alright, so guys, I got my bolts in finally. I hope they fit. I bought them from AliExpress and I bought them on the 1st. And I don't know what day it is now. I'll pop it up on my screen what day I'm recording this. But I got the bolts in and hopefully they fit. So I'm gonna compare them and check to see if they fit. Okay, so this looks like almost an exact fit. Except the fact that the side is a little bit short. The step on it is a little bit shorter than the new one. But we'll see if it fits. Okay, let's go, it fits. Alrighty, let's get the other ones on there. I bought 10, I believe. Alright, the bolts are installed. Now I gotta install the nuts. Okay, brake rotor is installed. Flip it over to the sprocket side. So now I'm going to install the sprocket. Okay, so so now it is time to install it on the mini bike. Okay, so now it's time to install the wheel back on. I don't think there's any leaks because it's still kind of solid. Line it up. Okay, got my axle. Okay, this is all lined up now. I just gotta install the nut. No, I don't want to tighten it fully. I just forgot I need to install the chain. Okay, so I'm gonna have to remove the master link. Okay, that was easy actually. Now I just got to adjust it. I'll get back to you when this is adjusted. Okay, so I think this is a good adjustment for now. It will wear in. It's a brand new chain, so I think I'm good to let it down now with the jack stands. Okay, so this is installed successfully. That's actually good tightness. Okay, so I successfully installed this mini bike tire. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you want. I'm not gonna beg for it like most of the creators will. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.